Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful peacock. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need a variety of colorful fabrics, perhaps some real or artificial feathers, and an assortment of sparkling beads. For the body, a sturdy base like a foam egg or a small cardboard shape works wonderfully. Don't forget your crafting tools: sharp scissors, a reliable hot glue gun, some flexible wire, and a needle with thread will be indispensable for this project. Next, let's construct the peacock's body. Start by covering your chosen base, whether it's a foam egg or cardboard, with a smooth layer of fabric. Use hot glue to ensure it's securely attached. Then, carefully shape the neck and head using flexible wire, wrapping it with more fabric or even modeling clay for a smooth finish. Finally, add the intricate details for the eyes and beak, making sure they are firmly in place to bring your peacock to life. Now for the peacock's most striking feature, its magnificent tail. Begin by cutting many feather shapes from your colorful fabrics. Aim for about 50 to 70 individual pieces, each around 4 to 6 inches long. Embellish each fabric feather with tiny beads, a touch of glitter, or even smaller feather accents to add sparkle. Once decorated, carefully arrange and attach these finished feathers in a grand, fan-like pattern to the peacock's back, creating a stunning display. To complete your beautiful peacock, focus on the finishing touches. You might want to add small, delicate legs made from wire, or perhaps some extra decorative elements to enhance its overall appearance. Double-check that all components are securely attached and that your peacock stands stably on its own. Finally, consider a suitable base or stand to proudly display your magnificent, handcrafted creation. It's a wonderful piece of art to admire and share.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.